Hello teacher and hello everyone. Here is our third video in Kampot province. We are from group Flower Power and our member name is Tina, Virginie and Sela. Today, I will show you a best place to visit in Kampot is Tada Waterfall. Tada Waterfall full name is Tada Sanchong, located in Phnom Prampi Commune, Takchu District, Kampot Province. It is established in 2014 and developed by Excellency Senior Minister Nyim Vanda and Lok Chumtiu. The resort is a natural waterfall of 27 meters and there is also a 3-story rock. It is in a cave which is 42 meters long and 35 meters wide flowing to break Kampung by. Tada Waterfall is in Kampot province. It is located around 20 to 30 minutes drive from Kampot province. It is a very popular place for Cambodian and tourists visit at public holiday or Sunday or Saturday. It is very natural place that's surrounded with the charming mountain and forest. When we travel to Tada, we can enjoy with the green nature along the road and hear the wonderful sound of nature. The nature there provides us with energy and keep us healthy. This is where you will find many Cambodian families hanging out and enjoy food and drink and for leaking in the water. In Tada Waterfall, you will see a lot of sellers and they will sell a lot of things such as food, water, and some kind of a handmade that they made to sell for tourism or for Cambodian people. From April to June, they will sell a lot of fruit such as mangoes, durian, rambutan, and mangosteen. The best time to visit Tada Waterfall is during the period between August and December. At this time, the sun is less intense and thus provides a pleasant wholesome experience. To sum up our video, Tada is the best place for Cambodian people and tourists. If you want to visit Tada Waterfall, don't forget to visit during August and December. At the end of our video, we would like to thank you to our teacher and our classmates that listened and watching our video. Thank you.